Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best tool belt is probably one of the most essential pieces of gear for any tradesperson, DIY enthusiast, or homeowner looking to keep their tools organized and accessible while on the job. Whether you're a seasoned professional tackling complex construction projects or a weekend warrior working on home repairs, a well-designed tool belt can significantly improve your efficiency, comfort, and safety by ensuring all your frequently used tools are within arm's reach, reducing the need to constantly bend down or search through a bulky toolbox. This video will dive deep into what makes a tool belt truly great, helping you find the perfect one to streamline your workflow and make your projects smoother and more productive. Number 5. JUKMO Quick Release Tactical Belt. Introducing the JUKMO Quick Release Tactical Belt. Engineered for durability and quick access, it's your reliable companion for any mission. Crafted from robust 1.5-inch nylon webbing, this belt is designed to withstand rigorous use. Its heavy-duty construction ensures it can handle whatever you throw at it. Featuring a strong seatbelt-style zinc alloy buckle, it provides a secure and comfortable fit. You can trust it to stay in place, no matter the activity. Experience enhanced flexibility with its stretch belt strap. This design allows for natural movement, keeping you comfortable throughout the day. Whether for tactical operations, hiking, or daily work, this belt offers the perfect blend of strength and comfort. It's the ultimate accessory for the modern adventurer. Choose JUKMO for gear that performs. Elevate your experience with a belt designed for reliability and ease of use. What we like. This one features a quick-release buckle for fast on and off. Its tactical design and durable nylon construction make it ideal for demanding situations. If you need a belt that's both secure and easy to access in high-pressure environments, this is a great choice. What people say. This tool belt is incredibly durable and has held up exceptionally well to daily use on construction sites. The multiple pockets and adjustable straps make it very functional and comfortable to wear, even when fully loaded with tools. I appreciate the reinforced stitching and heavy-duty canvas material, which clearly indicates a high-quality construction built to last. Number 4. JUKMO Men's 1.5 Nylon Ratchet Belt. Introducing the JUKMO Men's 1.5 Nylon Ratchet Belt. Experience unparalleled comfort and a sleek, modern look for your everyday wear. Tired of belts with holes? This innovative design features a smooth slide buckle for a precise, custom fit that adjusts with you. No more struggling to find the right notch. Crafted from high-quality nylon, this web-click belt is built to last. Its casual yet refined style makes it the ideal companion for your favorite jeans and trousers. Easily trim it to your exact waist size for a truly personalized fit. This ensures a clean look without any excess belt hanging. Presented in an elegant gift box, it makes a thoughtful and practical present for any man. Surprise someone special with this stylish and functional accessory. Choose JUKMO for accessories that blend sophisticated style with everyday practicality. Upgrade your wardrobe with this essential piece. What we like. This belt offers a no-holes adjustable ratchet system for a perfect fit every time. It's designed for casual wear and easy adjustment. If you dislike traditional belts with holes and want a sleek, customizable fit for your jeans, this is the one for you. What people say. This tool belt is very durable and holds up well to heavy use. The multiple pockets and compartments allow for excellent organization of tools. The adjustable strap ensures a comfortable and secure fit for different waist sizes. Number 3. McGuire-Nicholas 234 Oil Tanned Leatherwork Belt. Introducing the McGuire-Nicholas 234-inch Oil Tanned Leatherwork Belt. Crafted for durability and comfort, it's the perfect companion for your toughest jobs. Made from 100% genuine leather, this belt is built to last. Its oil-tanned finish provides superior strength and a classic look. This belt is reinforced with rivets at stress points, ensuring it can withstand heavy use. You can rely on it for any task. Designed to fit waist sizes from 29 to 46 inches, it offers a customizable and secure fit for a wide range of users. Featuring a double-prong roller buckle, it provides a strong and reliable closure. The rust-resistant hardware adds to its longevity. In a rich dark brown color, this belt combines rugged functionality with timeless style. It's a dependable choice for work and beyond. What we like. Crafted from 100% oil-tanned leather, this belt is built for serious work with rivet reinforcement. Its heavy-duty double-prong buckle ensures maximum security. If you're in construction or a trade that requires a robust and traditional work belt, this is an excellent option. What people say. This tool belt is very durable and holds up well to daily use. The multiple pockets and compartments are great for organizing tools and keeping them easily accessible. The adjustable strap ensures a comfortable and secure fit for different waist sizes. Number 2. UNCO Gardening Belt. Introducing the UNCO Gardening Belt, designed for ultimate comfort and convenience. It's ergonomically crafted to fit snugly, keeping your tools close without causing strain. Made from a blend of 50% cotton and 50% nylon, this belt is built to endure. Its durable, weather-resistant material ensures it can handle any gardening condition you face. Never misplace a tool again. With multiple pockets of various sizes, you can easily store everything from your shears to your gloves, keeping them readily accessible. Finding the right fit is simple. The adjustable buckle system allows you to customize the fit for a secure and comfortable experience, no matter your size. This belt seamlessly blends style with practicality. It's designed to enhance your gardening efficiency while adding a touch of modern flair to your work attire. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting, this utility belt is a game changer. It's the perfect accessory for men who need their tools organized and within reach. What we like. Specifically designed for gardeners, this belt boasts an ergonomic fit and multiple pockets for all your tools. It's made from durable, weather-resistant fabric. If you spend a lot of time in the garden and need easy access to your tools without back strain, this utility belt is perfect. What people say. This tool belt is very durable and has plenty of pockets for all my tools. The adjustable strap makes it comfortable to wear, even when fully loaded. I love the reinforced stitching, it feels like it will last a long time. Number 1. 19-pocket tool belt with quick release buckle, Khaki. Introducing a versatile tool belt designed for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. It's the perfect assistant for carpenters, electricians, and anyone who needs to keep their tools close at hand. Crafted from durable, heavy-duty 1000D polyester, this tool belt is built to withstand the rigors of any job. Reinforced stitching ensures it can handle frequent use and last for years to come. With 19 strategically placed pockets, you can carry a wide array of tools with ease. It also features convenient holders for tape measures and loops for hammers, keeping everything organized and accessible. The adjustable strap fits waist sizes from 31 to 50 inches, ensuring a comfortable and secure fit for everyone. The quick-release buckle makes it easy to put on and take off. Surprise the handyman in your life with this incredibly practical gift. They'll be amazed at how much it can hold and how it simplifies their work. What we like. With an impressive 19 pockets and a quick-release buckle, this belt is a mobile workstation. It's constructed from heavy-duty, friction-resistant polyester. If you're a tradesperson like an electrician or carpenter who carries a wide variety of tools and needs them organized and accessible, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. This tool belt is very durable and has plenty of pockets for all my tools. The adjustable strap makes it comfortable to wear for long periods of time. I love the reinforced stitching, it makes the tool belt feel very sturdy. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.